Hello, I'm Tom Wolf, Governor of Pennsylvania. I would like to wish the Japanese business community in Pennsylvania and in Japan a successful 2021. As we continue to fight COVID-19, we look forward to emerging from this crisis stronger than ever. Pennsylvania has the most diverse economy of all 50 U.S. states, and that's recognized by Bloomberg in 2019. This diversity creates economic stability. It helps our businesses and our industries weather challenging times like these. Diverse industry opportunities, along with our world-class universities and strong workforce, are why 407 Japanese companies already employ more than 21,000 people in Pennsylvania. I invite Japanese companies like yours to see what these businesses and others have already found in Pennsylvania. Here, your business will discover unbeatable logistics and a cost-competitive business environment. Our location is close to New York City, Washington, D.C., and other major business centers. In our two largest metro areas, Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, we have two very active Japan-America societies, and the Japanese Ministry of Education has Japanese language programs. Most importantly, in Pennsylvania, we are committed to working together to support business supply chain needs, to identify new opportunities, and to grow a new, evolved economy in 2021. We look forward to welcoming you to Pennsylvania soon.